We're here in the Dell booth where Alienware is showing off the AW3926QW, the world's first 39-inch 5K RGB stripe tandem OLED. And you might feel like that's a lot of qualifiers. Is it really that impressive? But the answer is yes. What it amounts to is basically a zero compromises gaming experience. You can have it any way you like in its native resolution of 5K by 2K. So that's 5120 by 2160. This thing can do up to 165 Hertz. So if you're using a GPU that was made on planet Earth, you're probably not going to be running frame rates above that anyway. Or if you want to push things in competitive titles, it can do up to 330 Hertz in a 1080p ultra-wide mode, or it actually supports a couple of more esports-oriented modes, including 32 inches, 16 by 9, as well as 27 inches and 25 inches. But the big highlight is, of course, the RGB stripe WOLED. This comes with all of the advantages of WOLED. So you're gonna have crystal clear text, you're gonna have peak brightness of up to 1300 nits and typical brightness of about 300 nits, but you're not gonna have any of the potential downsides of QD-OLED. So here, let's turn it off. There is functionally zero magenta hue, and you don't have admittedly better these days, but still slight fragility of the front layer. The other thing you won't be missing is any reduction in color saturation once you crank the brightness, which was an issue with previous non-RGB stripe WOLEDs. As for non-gaming, surprisingly, Alienware, a gaming brand, has you covered there as well. It's got a built-in KVM, including handling 90 watts of power delivery to your laptop while simultaneously accepting a DisplayPort signal in. So you can use this as a single cable docking solution for your monitor, something that I do every day and absolutely freaking love. And the best part, okay, is I was expecting them to say $15.99, something along those lines. Apparently, and this isn't confirmed yet, they're targeting more like $1,100 US, which is a lot of money, but it's a 39-inch 5K tandem OLED monitor, guys. That's actually less than their first 34-inch OLED gaming monitor. Cool, right? It's coming this summer with a 3-year warranty that, yes, does cover burn-in. But wait, there's more. Next up is the AW3426DW. This boy is a little bit smaller. We're looking at 34 inches, a little bit lower resolution, a more classic 3440 by 1440 ultra-wide resolution, but that's where the compromises end. This guy does up to 280 Hertz, which is a 40 Hertz bump over their last generation QD OLED, and it's got all the other new generation QD OLED goodies going for it as well. So we get the increase in surface hardness from 2H to 3H, meaning that I shouldn't be able to scratch it with my thumbnail here. Yeah, you've got lots of these for demo, right? I mean, it should be fine anyway. And I'm actually gonna turn this one off as well because you can see right here on the show floor that there is so little of that magenta hue that QD OLEDs tended to be known for. And you're not giving up any of the goodness that QD OLED is known for. Like the one we just saw, we're looking at 1300 nits peak brightness, 300 typical for an outstanding HDR experience. And it's got the same RGB stripe subpixel layout, so even if you're not gaming, if you're looking at text for long hours, you can expect it to look extremely sharp. Also, like the one we just saw, surprisingly accessible price. They're not confirming anything, but the rumors that I'm hearing in the booth is that they're targeting about $800 US with this thing, which again, that's not a cheap monitor, but like, holy crap, it's getting better and the price is going down, just like we remember from the good old days of tech. Freaking awesome. Oh yeah, and 3-year warranty, including burn-in, of course. Thanks for checking out this video on the AW3426DW and AW3926QW. If you guys are looking for more great videos to watch from Computex, make sure you get subscribed to ShortCircuit.